Hi friends, happy to see you on my channel again. Today we are drawing this cutie. Let's get started. This time I will begin drawing the face first, and I will draw two oval eyes. Like this. Add bigger highlights on the top part and smaller ones below. Now we can color the space around highlights in. And these are our eyes. For the nose, we are going to add another oval between the eyes and fill it in right away. For the mouth, we are going to add two curves first. And another one under, as his mouth is open. Let's separate the tongue and fill the rest space in. And his cute face is ready. Now we can start drawing his head. For the lower part of the head, we will draw one big wide U shape. So now we need to draw one slightly curved line at the top of his head, and it's gonna be right above the eyes. Okay, and now we can connect these gaps. Like so. Now to draw his ears, we will extend the same line that we got for the lower part of his face. We will go up, then curve it on the top and connect to that line that we got for the top of his head. And the same for another side. Go up, curve on the top, and connect. He looks so much like a cat now, so let's add more details to turn him into red panda. So firstly, red pandas have longer fur under the ears. Let's draw that. They also have some white patches that look like eyebrows. And another thing is white snout. So we are going to connect two eyes first. And then go on drawing the same line on the side and curve to the chin. This part's gonna be white, and red pandas have also white patches on their cheeks. So we are going to draw them like bent triangles. And we also need to add matching curves inside the ears. Okay, we are done with the head and we can start drawing his body. His arms gonna be wide open, like he's ready for the hug. And I will draw a U shape. And the same from another side. And from here we can draw the side of the body. Straight line going down. Same here. One upside down U to separate the legs. And complete the shape with slightly curved lines. Now let's add some details for the arms. One oval and 3 curves connected to that oval. And this is gonna be his paws. Now we can add his big fluffy tail with rings on it. And add the last curve for his belly. Now let's color our cutie, and I will fast forward this part of the video. You can pause it if you need to catch up. And at the end of the video, I will show you a couple of examples of how you can have more fun with this drawing. And we are done coloring our red panda. I hope you like the result. Now, as I promised you, here's a couple of ideas for your inspiration. You can draw him with a bamboo on the background or celebrating a birthday. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!